Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the new mythical epic Vegabloom in Prodigy, so let's get into the video. So the new mythical epic is out, and down here in a second, right there, you can see that the icon is there. That is new. And it says a new power is flourishing. Grow your team with our latest mythical epic quest. Your search begins now. So let's go ahead and watch this. Okay. And there we go. There is Vegabloom or Vegabloom. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and look at the buddy. So here's the buddy. It says Vegabloom keeps the forest alive by spreading flowers from its tail everywhere it goes. It also drops seeds from its favorite fruits so that it can come back and get more. Magic and its paws heals the forest path as it prances around. Now, we can do one thing. We can do a trial battle against Vegabloom. Okay, so here we are in the battle. The answer to that is 6. And there we go. Now, I don't really care about winning this match, because, I already have it, and I can't get it on this account. I have it with hacks. Don't hack Prodigy. And I didn't show you the battle animation that time. And also, I have a new computer, so that's why I'm being very slow on Prodigy. So we did 3,003. It only does 1,442, I think it was. Okay, we got that right, and we got Mastery. Okay, so we beat Vegabloom, which is not too surprising. Yeah, so great job. So we are going to go ahead and look at its battle animation, because it's right there. Or wait, no, it's battle, like, its spells. So we already saw that its stats, its power to heart is 50-50, so it has 10,400 hearts, and it's a earth element. So I don't think I can see its attacks until we go into a battle. So, and there's an apple pot right there. Let's battle that. Okay, so we can use Forest Hurricane, Overgrowth, Torrent, and Wildfire. Bro, I hate these questions. Okay, so I did get the question correct. And its battle animation is decent. I think there are, like, petals coming off of it when it does the attack. So Apple Pot does 1781. And we got that one correct as well. Yeah, there are some, like, butterflies coming off. That is one of the things that you can get from doing the quest if you have membership. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.